Hi, Scott here with 802 Outdoor Adventures. I am on Broad Brook today with Rick and Peter. Peter came and joined us today, so he's doing some digging with us. I don't know where, that's Rick in the background there. I think one of them. Peter's down there somewhere. Anyway, we fired up already. I've been digging. I got the Green Mountain Gold Trap set up, and we're off to the races here. Peter's already found some gold. I think Rick's found some gold also. So we're gonna keep going. I'm about ready to pull the pin on the. I got the Green Mountain Gold Trap. I think I just said that. So I want to pull the pin on the drawer there and see if we have any gold. And I'll bring you along and I'll show you the first pan. We'll paint it out together. One of the best features, and I know I've said this before on this gold trap, is this removable drawer. I don't have to pull the trap out to clean it out. I think that is like the best thing going. I know I have at least one piece of gold in here. I've already seen it. And that's it. That's all there is to it. We'll put that back in and she'll be ready to go again. I'm gonna try to get these rocks out. These are all handmade, and the fit and finish on these things are second to none. That box slides in there and there isn't any slop to it at all. Alright, let's go up here on this flat rock here. We'll have a seat. Shake all the heavies down. Get rid of some of the lighter stuff. We can probably thin it down a little more, but let's see what we got here. There's a piece right there. I see some more coming through. There's another piece. Looks like chunky stuff in here too. There's a little needly piece. There's another one. There's another one. There's a couple more little micros there. So yeah, there's probably 6 or 7 pieces in there. All right. I'm going to snuffer those up and we'll set back up and keep going. I'm digging right in here where my shovel is. From Peter's over there in that hole, and I'm working from that line of rocks all the way over to the edge of the water here. So that's good. We're seeing some gold. We'll keep going. Looks like Peter's gearing up to go do some sniping. About 150 yards up the river there's some bedrock. I think he's gonna go up and get in the water. Water's a little cold today. It's a little cooler. Probably, I don't think it's quite 70. It was 60 when I left the house, but what a great day for digging. Okay, we'll be back. Stay tuned. We'll show you some more gold here. Rick just made a noise that I like to hear.
You're gonna really like to hear this.
Holy smokes, look at that. He scores again. What a nice flatty that is. Damn.
Better with water on it or off?
It doesn't matter with this camera really, so
okay.
Probably looks better with, because magnifies it, makes it look bigger.
That looks big enough to me.
That does. That's a nice one. That isn't going to go up that tube, is it?
No, that's not going to suck up.
It's an awful problem to have.
Yeah.
Damn, that's a nice one.
That is a really nice one. That's flat, man. But
yeah, little size comparison to my finger. Yeah, look at that. Holy smokes. Damn, Rick. You're killing it.
Done.
That's not a going home piece, so don't even think about it.
That's a staying piece. Oh, man.
You were just saying you were going to...
I thought it was going to fool me, because I've been fooled about 3 times in this pan, and that one was real.
Rick was just going to move, too.
Yep, I was.
Not anymore.
Oop. There, right there.
So I just pulled the test pan out of where I'm digging right here. And I didn't get anything, but that was up in this area right here. So I moved down in here. I'm gonna try to widen this hole out some. I built sort of a runway to the Green Mountain Gold Trap over here. I got just about enough flow. And I mean just about enough flow. It doesn't move things along like it should, but it's pretty close, and the trap's cleaning out. So I just shovel some rocks, keep things moving. Yeah, see, it just doesn't quite clean out the way I probably could classify, and it would be okay, but I don't expect it to run the bigger rocks off, but these little ones, it would be nice to have it clean out. But it's not the trap's fault, it's mine. That's about the best flow that I can give it. Hey, we'll take it. I'm probably gonna go hand panning here pretty soon, because I'm not so sure that I'm really on the gold. So I don't want to be running. If I'm going to run material, crappy stuff, I'd rather run it through this. I can run a lot more. Well, anyway, we're cooking along, so keeping things moving. There's Rick over there, quite content with getting some microns. After he got that flatty, he's been getting some in every pan, nothing big. Been doing better than I have. This is what am I trying to say here? 2 or 3 blank pans, and then I moved a bunch of rocks that I piled up to give me more flow for the gold trap, and this is what was underneath that area. So I think I'm gonna keep digging out that area. I probably won't go back to the gold trap. I haven't decided yet. I'm just not getting the flow I need, and I can't tip the nose down any farther, so I'm kind of screwed. If I was gonna get anything to use today, it would have been that, because that one's, the low profile of that one allows it to run in a little bit flatter section of river, but I'm just not getting the flow. So anyhow, we'll just keep plugging away the way we're doing and see what we can get. Stay tuned. Hopefully we'll show you some more gold. Peter's up there sniping, so hopefully he'll have something to show us when he comes down. Well, I moved a bunch of these rocks out of the middle here between where Peter and I were digging, and I reset my gold trap up there right beside that big rock, or just above it, and that's half a bucket. That, and there's like a little dot over there, but that's can't see it with the glare, but anyway, that was half a bucket. I think there was 3 pieces in there. That was really sandy. A lot of silt in there. I think I'm gonna dig around in there some more, I think. I might do another half bucket. It is, what time is it? It's about 1 o'clock. I figured I'd dig till about 2:30. My back's getting sore already, so probably 2:30 will be it. But hopefully we'll have some more gold to show you.
Oh, that side's a rock. But,
I would have thought it was a rock.
yeah, but this side is gold.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. I was like, whoa.
Huh.
It's
Nice
pretty
little
like
nugget,
sharp
too.
too, like the edges and stuff, even on the gold. Yeah.
Geez, that's pretty good. That's better than what I'm doing today.
Yeah. Little mark.
Yeah. Get that little sucker out of there.
Huh.
Oh, I got a little flake. I'll show
Nice.
you. Check this all the way over there.
That's even nicer.
Is this from just the summer?
This season, yeah. Oh, that piece is like stuck in there.
Yeah, that's really good.
There,
Yeah,
hold
it
on.
is.
This is like all the cooler pieces I grabbed out.
All that sniping's really paying off.
Yeah.
Is a
Wow.
lot of that from sniping?
Most of it, yeah. Not the big piece. That was from
Hey,
Buffalo.
Peter. It's almost kind of greenish.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. It was covered with mercury when I found it.
How'd you get rid of the mercury?
Just burned it. In one of those things.
I like the ones with the holes in them there too.
That one has rock in it.
That one is really
Yeah,
good.
Yeah.
that's from too.
That's crazy. That's some.
The flat one there, it's not even that flat. That's from like all those round pieces. Those are all from.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, how's it going?
Hey, how you doing?
That is awesome.
I guess I shouldn't have said all the brook names, but
Yeah. If you want, I could beep them out.
yeah, I beat those out.
Was that piece covered in mercury by any chance?
Yeah, that was like the silver piece. Yeah, and there was some other like
turns the gold like foamy. Like the surface is all pitted.
yeah. I mean, there was a few other pieces like that in the same
That's
crevice.
crazy.
Like Robbie has a couple pieces that are kind of greenish.
What is
That's wild.
Huh?
What's the big
Oh,
one?
1.8.
Nice.
Yeah, and I mixed it all up last night, so I weighed my take from that brook up further north. That I sniped, I showed you that picture of all the nice ones. That was 3 grams altogether,
Wow.
3 grams flat. So, yeah.
That's impressive.
Yeah, and that's not all, but
That's not all of it, he says. It's just what he had in his pocket.
yeah.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah. This might be some fun.
Okay, this is
From today,
today so far, yeah.
we'll get Rick's take for the day, including this big flatty.
Not a whole lot in there. Yeah, other than that, there's not a whole lot in there.
I think it's still more than I've got so far.
That's worth leaving the house for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Better than staying 12 screen doors.
Yeah. Nice.
Damn, didn't think of one in there. Get in there.
Nope, still on your finger, I think.
Damn it. Guess I'm just gonna have to throw it back.
So how many outings was that?
That's just so last night I weighed a few like days or weekends that I had kind of like separated still because I wanted to weigh just to see, because I usually never weigh gold, but I just kind of wanted to.
Doesn't want to go in, does it, Rick?
So I did it last night, and then I kind of just started picking out all of the bigger pickers and stuff out of my like pan for the whole season, and I started putting them in there. But this is 6.8 grams in here, because I did weigh that actually after. But there's more like little flakes and pickers and stuff too. I just thought these were the chunkier ones. Got this one today. This is a specimen. host rock on it. I was like, is that gold? And I was like, started laughing.
Wow, I wonder what that host rock looked like. Because that doesn't look like quartz.
The iron, maybe?